This is my Japanese pancake with toasted coconut. It's only 5 carbs in all of this. Konnichiwa. Japanese pancake with toasted coconut, or Japanese souffle pancake or souffle pancake. It's very difficult to make. This is my 3rd time doing this video, by the way. I don't think that a Japanese pancake has been done in keto version, so I'm going to give it a go again. 1.5 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, 2 egg yolks, half a teaspoon of vanilla, a tablespoon of sweet coconut oil, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of powdered erythritol, 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, sifted, and we're just going to mix that up. There, I like that. That looks good. Set that off to the side. This bowl just came out of the freezer. I've got 3 egg whites right here, and I'm just going to whip it up into stiff peaks. Okay, that's finished. Nice stiff peaks. What we're going to do now is take some of the meringue and fold it in, and we want to put it in thirds, right? We want to put 1/3 in and kind of mix it. Then we'll put 1 more third in. And here's the last of the meringue, and fold it in very carefully. Don't over mix it, because we want this to be really fluffy. That's the whole thing about this Japanese pancake. You want it to be really fluffy. It's totally different than a regular pancake. And yeah, it's really good. So I'm just going to, I don't care if there's a little bit of white stuff in there. That doesn't bother me. I just don't want to over mix it. And I like that. This is called a rosti ring, and it's like a restaurant quality rosti ring. I used to use soup cans or tomato cans and cut them, but this is the secret to making this nice and tall and fluffy. And this is parchment paper that I just cut for the same size, like that. I'm gonna put some coconut oil. That's called a tamal for making tortillas. I put a little bit of this sweet coconut oil on there. I'm gonna put the rosti ring right on top. I'm going to spoon some of this mixture into the bottom. I have the heat on a very, very low, medium heat. There, I fit it all in. And what I'm going to do now is just put like a little bit of water just in the pan, like this. A little bit. I'm going to put a bowl on top. Okay, that's been about 2 minutes. Let's have a look at it. You can see how it's starting to rise a little bit. You can see how it's still jiggly. So back on we go. And if you need to add some more water, just put a little water in before the flip. So I flipped this after 10 minutes. You can see what it looks like. And I'll just slide this underneath, and I'm going to flip it onto the plate like that. Okay, I'll pull the rosti ring off now, like this. You can see the parchment paper still in there. That look good. So I've got some homemade sugar-free vanilla ice cream here, and some blueberries and toasted coconut. If you've never made toasted coconut before, this is unsweetened coconut. You just put it into a pan, and you have to watch it really closely because it turns fast. It's absolutely delicious. So I'm going to put a little bit of the ice cream and blueberries and coconut. Japanese pancake with toasted coconut. Wow. Thanks for watching.